in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable images on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select Settings. On the left panel, you want to select where it says Privacy and Security. And then going underneath Privacy and Security, select where it says Site Settings. Scrolling down underneath Additional Permissions, you want to select where it says Images. Where it says Sites can show images, make sure you select that, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.